Welcome back to another course in the CorelDRAW tutorial for beginners. Now, in this lesson, we're going to look at the different types of nodes we have in CorelDRAW. So I'm going to select this image. I have created this using a freehand tool. So select the shape tool, and then with that selected, I'm going to select one node. So I'm going to select the node over here. And you can see we have these three options over here. We have the cusp node, the smooth node, and the symmetrical node, but this one is not highlighted at the point. So let's start off with the cusp node. If I select it, what you'll notice with it is that you can the cusp node allows you to make a point or a curve into a sharp edge. So that means you can distort one anchor to one side, the other one to one side. So they do not share direction, and again, they do not have the same length. So I can shorten this, I can elongate this, so that creates, if I just deselect that, it creates this sharp edge at the end. So that is the cusp node. Again, if I elongate this one, I can change the direction for this one. So that is the cusp node. It allows you to create an edge at a curve point using a node. Let's select the second one. So let's just distort this completely. So we've created this sort of edge using the cusp node. Now let's go to the smooth node. Now the smooth node will allow you to create kind of a curve at that node, but still will have different lengths, but they will all affect the same direction. So I can reduce the length of this one, and this one will remain the same. But if I make a change to this side, you can see there's a change to the other side. Likewise, if I come and click on this anchor point over here and make changes, you can see it's affecting both. But if I lengthen this side, this other side won't be affected. That is the difference between the cusp node and the smooth node. So let's lastly look at the symmetrical node. Now the symmetrical node allows for equal lengths and the same direction, so it will affect the length at the same direction. So I'll lessen this. You can see if I reduce the length of one anchor point, it will affect the other one, and if I try and change the direction here, it will affect it. Let's try again with this one. So with this one, this is currently the cusp node command is not highlighted. This means we're dealing with a cusp node over here. So if I change the direction of one, the other, it won't be affected. Let's see what node we have over here. So over here we have the smooth node, where it's curved, yes, but then it will move in the same direction but with different lengths. So if I can shorten this like so and change it like that. So having this knowledge of the three different nodes we have will allow you to manipulate your images and come up with different logos using them. So as you're drawing, as you're creating new things, you can use this knowledge to create a new logo, a new image in CorelDRAW. So go ahead and practice with that. Just select it, select the shape with the shape builder tool, and you'll have these three commands over here. After selecting the node, it will highlight and show you which command is being used. So currently over here, we're using the symmetrical node command over here.